Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to build a stunning WordPress website. Step 1. Choose a domain name and hosting provider. Your domain name should be memorable and relevant to your website's purpose. Once you have chosen a domain name, sign up with a reliable hosting provider to ensure smooth performance. Step 2. Install WordPress. Most hosting providers offer a simple one-click WordPress installation. Once installed, you'll be able to access your website's dashboard. Step 3. Customize your website's appearance. Choose a WordPress theme that reflects your brand and customize it to your liking. You can easily change colors, fonts, and layouts within the theme customizer. Step 4. Add essential plugins. Extend your website's functionality by installing plugins. Some recommended plugins include a caching plugin for faster loading times, an SEO plugin for optimizing your site, and a security plugin to protect against potential threats. Step 5. Create your website's pages. Start by adding essential pages such as Home, About, Services, and Contact. Remember to include relevant and engaging content on each page. Step 6. Customize your website's navigation menu. Make it easy for your visitors to navigate through your website by creating a clear and intuitive menu structure. Step 7. Incorporate captivating images and videos. Visuals play a crucial role in engaging your audience. Use high-quality images and videos that enhance your content and captivate your visitors. Step 8. Optimize your website for search engines. Use an SEO plugin to optimize your meta tags, headings, and content. This will help improve your website's visibility in search engine results. Step 9. Test and optimize your website. Regularly test your website's load time, responsiveness, and user experience. Make adjustments as needed to ensure a seamless browsing experience for your visitors. Step 10. Publish your website and share it with the world. Congratulations, your stunning WordPress website is now ready to be launched. Share it on social media, promote it to your audience, and watch your website grow. Thank you for watching our step-by-step guide to building a stunning WordPress website. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Happy website building!